you really want to make it on YouTube, consistency is key. You gotta post. I post at least 10 videos every day. There is no sleeping. You need to make this official. If you have a full-time job, you probably need to leave it for a while or face YouTube. That's what I'm saying. Face it, because it's not a job you do and then you go and sit down. You need to consistently post and post and post. And within 3 days, you can actually get 1,000 subscribers. Does it sound impossible? It might sound impossible, but it worked for me, baby, and it can work for you. What are you waiting for? Go get started now. Watch this video and enjoy it. Glasses on or glasses off? We'll decide on that. But how to actually get your 1,000 subscriber count here on YouTube. It sounds impossible. You're a new YouTuber, like, are you sure this is real? Are you sure you can get it? It is possible for you to get it. I've been on YouTube for like over 10 years now. I'm no newbie to this game. Hi guys, it's your favorite girl, Love Back TV. I don't usually do this often on YouTube. I do it on other platforms. But you see this YouTube, I'm back, baby, to take over. Now, none of you are like, just hurry up and get to the topic, but don't worry. I'm just here to introduce myself a bit. I mean, allow me. Just give me a little time while I tell you guys my secret so far and how I was able to get 1,000 subscribers in 3 days. I'm not telling you someone else's story. It's my story, right? Anyway, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like and comment. Just keep it coming. Now to the topic and what has helped me. Now, I'm no tutor or anything, but this is something that has helped me, and I'm, here to share it with people out there, my lovelies, like I like to call my community. So welcome you officially to YouTube. Now, what I do, or my trick would be, in terms of like shorts, because to be fair, YouTube long videos have not really been helping me as much as shorts. Like, I'll just disclaimer, let me let it out there. Probably it has to do with thumbnails. So, number one, you want to get a decent thumbnail if you actually want to stick to the longer videos for YouTube. Now, before we go to the longer videos and all its nitty-gritty, let's go to shorts, which I'm an expert on. So for shorts, a lot of times people are like, oh, I'm using my videos, it's not really selling. A lot of people are out there looking for ways. I know a friend of mine, he does music himself from with AI. So the trick is you go to ChatGPT, tell them how you're feeling, the kind of music you want, and how you can okay, tell a story to ChatGPT, and then you'll be able to get the story. So you could say, this is the story about like a girl called Tiwa. Tiwa was in love with a boy, but the boy did not love her back, and the boy wanted Choma, and then Choma was that girl. And then you know how ChatGPT is, so the gist keeps going. ChatGPT could write you a song, and then you take it into an app to actually put that in. And there are a lot of free apps out there, but don't worry, that'll be another video where I'll tell you guys all about that. But I'm just saying that these are ways that you can actually get your steez on YouTube, because everyone must not be like, like a vlogger coming out and talking, sharing your personal life. Honestly, I do this every day. I'm posting at least 2 videos on my social media channels. It's not easy. That's my point. So I'm trying to make this video. It's like telling my story, but it's not like being like, what are you advising, but you made it this far, right? So thank you for that. So what I'm talking about is I'm not going to be giving you like 1, 2, 3. If you have a pen, grab it. If you don't, that's also fine. So I'm saying for the YouTube shorts, what happens, because they've introduced music as well. So that music on YouTube shorts can save your life. What am I talking about? Like, how you're scrolling through Instagram and you go to explore pages and you're like, oh, this explore page is giving me what I need. Oh, this isn't bad. And then you're like playing around it. Now you see that explore page, how you're playing around. You could just grab a video from there. Go online, Instagram downloader, Facebook downloader. You put the link there, you download that specific video. Now it could be a video, wedding, just something like, because YouTube likes a lot of like wedding videos, probably a bit of like coaching as well. Do you get? But what you do when you bring it to your page, like mostly for shorts though, you make it your own. What do I mean by that? You edit it. For editing, you can use CapCut. You can even use TikTok. So you create a video on TikTok and you edit on TikTok. That's what I'm doing now anyways. So yeah, you can do that. And there's also CapCut. There's InShot that you could use. These are just little editing tools that you can actually just play around. You don't have to be a professional or anything, but just to make basic videos. So now when you get those, because I'm saying like, if you're someone, because not everybody has the power to come out and talk like this. But I'm not necessarily saying steal someone's content. No, that's not what I'm saying. But someone has already made content. For instance, Bella Ninja weddings. Every single day there's like a post of someone that's doing a wedding, something very ow, and then you see a video, there is no write-up or there's no caption on it. You can take that video, the music from there, because you get copyright infringement for YouTube. The music from there, you take it down. That music, you remove it, bring it to YouTube, like you want to upload. You could use the app, or you could use the YouTube Studio online, like on the Chrome version, the desktop version. I usually, for some reason, I just use the normal YouTube app on my phone to just, send the videos out there. It's also fine. But a lot of like big YouTubers say use the desktop version. So I guess anyone that works for you is absolutely fine. I don't really think it changes so much, but what do I know, right? So you get the video from there. Yeah, and then you post it on your YouTube. Then when you come to the short, there's a music part. You can now say, so let's say it was a famous music, maybe a Davido music or Wizkid music. You can now come on YouTube Shorts and find that music. So when you're uploading, you would see music options there, and you use the music. Then you could put a write-up. So for instance, a wedding day, it could be the best wedding you can ever go to, or the funniest wedding video, or a day in a bride's life, or bridezilla, just something catchy, something that even you, if you're scrolling through and you see it, you'll be like, okay, what was that again? So you get it, right? Anyways, so when you do all of it, this is what I'm saying, I can say in a step by step. I don't have any paper. You can see I'm not using any script, nothing, notes. I'm just using my head. So anyway, I stop halfway, take it like that. But at the end of the day, you get what I'm trying to say in terms of like short. Now, this is an advice if you want to do YouTube shorts. So that way you upload it, you check the restrictions, because one good thing about YouTube, the copyright comes immediately. If there's any infringement, they're telling you, boom, like they're bringing it up on you. So you will not say, oh, it's tomorrow. Right now, you would know if there was any like restrictions and stuff. But because you've edited it, like for instance, you could try to get a logo. Just put your logo there. You could even do like a video, like so a video, when you're editing it, you put it as a layover, overlay actually. Yeah, it's called overlay on TikTok. On InShot, I'm just talking about how you can find it. It's PIP. I don't know what that PIP means though. So you can put a video on top of the video. So you can just put your own video small. Watch my video so you see what I'm saying. You just cannot put your own video small there where you're like laughing, just reacting to it. You don't even necessarily need to be saying anything. At the end of the day, you could just put like a little voiceover just to make it officially yours. Maybe like 5-10 seconds voiceover, and just say anything interesting at the end of the day. But even if you don't, that's absolutely fine. But the whole idea is, for it to still count as an original content, you have to make it your own. So YouTube Shorts is helping in terms of subscribers. It helped me get 1,000 subscribers within 3 days, and I know it can help you as well. Long form videos, that's something that I'll probably talk about another day. But one thing I know about long form videos, you need a good thumbnail to actually catch people in. Another very interesting fact is, not everybody has to be a YouTuber. I know it sounds like, oh, because, I'm out there. No, because a lot of people sort of like feel, oh, because my friend is doing it, I can do it. Content creating is a hard job. If you've made it this far on my video, that means you love me. So I just want to say thank you. Have you subscribed? Go and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So this is like my longest video ever. So I'll just be talking. Pardon me, guys, but do you get the point? If you don't get it, I don't know what to do. But of course, you can always just drop your comments, and then ask questions and all. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if this is something you want me to continually do, because I intend to be doing it often. But obviously, it's all about you guys. If you don't want to see it, then what am I doing? I hope you guys want to see it though, because I want to keep coming. And not to make us money on YouTube. People say they're cashing out. They're learning to cash out. So, but yeah, this is how, you can actually make YouTube Shorts and get your subscriber count. And, that way you get views as well. Views are like rolling in. I've got videos, 100K views. So views will just keep rolling in through YouTube Shorts. So if you've not tried YouTube Shorts and you're a baby to YouTube, or you've been on YouTube and you're just like, why am I not going far in life for this YouTube? With this, you can actually get the subscriber count. Yeah. At least when you get a subscriber count, I'm nearing 3,000 subscribers right now. Yeah, just because of this trick. This worked for me within 3 days. So I know you can do it as well. You just need to put your mind to it and start the hustle. And together, you gotta make YouTube money. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for sticking with me on this video. You guys are amazing. And I would see you on the next video. Keep supporting. It's the Love Mbad TV brand, baby. I love you guys. See you soon. Mwah.
Yeah.